little friends! Welcome to NiniNest!
Dirty hands and muddy play. Oh no, what can we do today? Sticky toes and messy hair. Time to wash with bubbly care. Mama says, come along. Bath time fun won't take long. Water's warm, don't you fear. Splish, splash, come right here. Bubble, bubble, wash away. Make me clean and fresh today. Scrub, scrub, head to toe. Watch the tiny bubbles go. Splash, splash, water play. Pop the bubbles all the way. Rubber duck goes quack, quack, quack. Floating, wobbling front and back. Wash my hands and wash my face. Clean up every little place. Shiny, happy, look at me. Clean as I can ever be. Bubble, bubble, shine so bright. Everything feels clean and light. Splash and laugh, it's so fun. Bath time play for everyone.
Did you have fun, little friends? Subscribe to NiniNest. Let's play and learn together!